Hi folks, my name's Morag and I run Northwest Numbers Limited. Today I want to talk about, this is 3 minutes with Morag, where I simplify and demystify accounting terms and processes. Today I want to talk about national insurance. I think it's something everybody knows about but potentially doesn't know details about, so that's why I'm doing this. Okay, our national insurance, it actually goes towards paying for our state pension entitlement, but it also helps pay for the NHS and other welfare services. So how is it deducted? So as an employed person, your actual employer will be deducting it from your wages and your wages or salaries. And if you're self-employed, it's based on how much profit you've made from your business in the year. Okay, now to pay national insurance and to get the benefits of national insurance, you have to have a national insurance number. Now, that's your personal identifier for the social security system, and that's how they keep an account of everything that's been paid to you or by you. Okay, so how do I register? How do I register for national insurance when I'm self-employed? Obviously, when you're employed, it's when you basically put your P45 in, or you fill in the sheet to say that it's your only job. When all that's done, and your employer starts paying you wages, it automatically all goes via that. If you're self-employed, you actually need to register yourself. Now, what happens is, when you actually register as self-employed with the HMRC, it actually covers not only your income tax, but it does actually cover your insurance, national insurance. So it's only one registration. Okay? So, if you're self-employed, there's actually two classes of national insurance which apply to sole traders, and it's to do with the profits. So there's what's called class 2 national insurance contributions, and then there's class 4 national insurance. Okay, so basically your class 2, it's a set amount each week. At the moment it's £3.5 per week for the new current year, and it's made if your profits are more than 6,475 in the year. It's paid annually to the HMRC when you do your self-assessment tax return at the 31st of January is the latest. Okay, if you're below that threshold, the 6,475, you don't pay national insurance, but you can make voluntary contributions. As I said, the other type of insurance contribution you can make is called class 4. Now, class 4 is actually dependent on what profit you've made through your business. If it's more than 9,500, then you will be chargeable. Sorry, I've got my cat with its hackles up. You will be liable to pay class 4. Now, the actual rates on those for the class 4, if your profits are over 9.5, but under 50,000, between that range you pay 9%, and over the 50,000 you would then pay 2% on the profits. So it's 9% up to 50,000, and then it's 2% after the 50,000. As I say, it's also calculated annually as part of your self-assessment. But what usually happens is you pay it in 2 6-month parts. You estimate it in July, for the 31st of July, and you would pay half of what you think it's going to be. And then when you do your final assessment at the end of the year, you would pay the additional amount. Okay? Okay, so that's if you're self-employed. Obviously, if you're employed or if you're employing staff, you also need to know the national insurance rates for the employees. Now that's called Class 1, okay? And it's deducted from your payroll. So those rates this year, they are, you have to have earned £795 a month before you pay any national insurance contributions. So after that, up to £4,167 a month, you're paying 12% out of that part of your salary. And then anything over that is 2%. Now that's, as an employee, that gets deducted from your salary. But what also happens is your employer has to pay a contribution as well. So what their rates are anything below 732 a month, they don't pay anything. But after 732 a month up to the same 4167, they pay 13.8% towards your national insurance. And anything over that, they don't pay. So they only pay for that rate between 732 a month and 4,167 a month. So not only are you paying out of your own salary towards your national insurance contribution, but your employers are doing that as well for as long as you're employed. Okay. As I stated before, you can make voluntary contributions into national insurance, but it's something that it's best to be taken, that you take advice on, actual financial advisors, because it's kind of based on your own individual circumstances. Okay, so I hope that's kind of demystified national insurance a little bit. As I said, my name's Morag and I run Northwest Numbers Limited. We provide bookkeeping and accountancy services for small charities, not-for-profits, startups and businesses. I've been going about a year now. I'm fully qualified with 34 years experience, but I decided to go off on my own so that I could service the smaller business groups, because they can't necessarily afford to have a full-time permanent bookkeeper accountant. And I want to make a difference. I want to be able to help you reduce your time that you take on paperwork so that you can spend it elsewhere, either with your family or, building your business, or if you're a charity, following your charity objectives and helping others. So I want to make a difference, as I said. What I do as well is I provide I provide a free initial consultation for potential clients where we can discuss what your needs are, how I can help. We can suss out whether we like each other. If you want to take advantage of that, or you just want to talk to me about anything, please do get in touch. My email is accounts@northwestnumbersltd.co.uk. I also have a Facebook where you can actually book appointments, and I have a web page, although potentially that's also it is up, but it might be getting tweaked. I hope that's been of help, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.